They, oh no, they didn't. Hold on, child. Hold on. Let me run through. Listen, beauty palettes Dollar Tree has, honey, in a place to be. Mixed custom nail and cosmetic colors. And it's glass. When Dollar Tree starts selling? They also have another one. Hold on. Look at this one. All right. So if you said that pink one wasn't your cup of tea, maybe this is $1.25 just for you and me. Child, you gonna be. Look at this next item Dollar Tree had. Honey, have you seen these? These are lip oils, lip scrubs, okay, lip sugar scrubs, $1.25, watermelon scented. But honey, you know Dollar Tree gotta be fancy, pantsy, mancy. All right, let me show you how it's really done. Okay, all for fun. Look, watermelon lip collection. The lip scrubber. Now, I seen this at another Dollar Tree, but honey, I ain't see the lip oil and the lip sugar scrub. Okay? Now, look at the lip sugar scrub. Child, look like lipstick. They out here slay. You know what? Dollar Tree said, you know what? We gonna get your coin one way or another. All right? Now, this is easy to use for softer lips, exfoliates, stimulates, applicator. Okay? So no wonder I was like, you know, I was saying all along, you can use this for Vaseline, not knowing that it's really for this, the lip oil and the lip scrub. Child, Dollar Tree is out here moving. Now, I don't know what's going on with the watermelon. Maybe because it's about to be summer, but everything is watermelon, right? And yes, I love watermelon and chicken. Now, Dollar Tree has just a watermelon daily gel cleanser with watermelon to lightly hydrate all skin types. All right, Dollar Tree said, listen, we gonna deliver, and that's word to the mother and the brother. Now, Dollar Tree also have this serum over here. Now, I use this. The orange one is good. Glow. They also have Dew. I never use Dew. And they also have Plump, which has collagen in there. $1.25. Another item that is a dupe from Sephora, okay, is this right here. The Power Toner. Now, they normally have like a set that you can purchase. Each is $1.25. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a tremendous, lovely, magnificent day. If not, do understand and get your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, so I just got off the train, and as some of you folks can see, I am at the Dollar Tree in a place to be. Listen. That monkey in the mom was saying, girl, go home and go to sleep. And I said, oh no, the devil is a liar. I said, I got to show up for my good folks over here on the YouTube. Okay? Now, let's see if Dollar Tree is going to have us move our feet to the beat. Let's go inside. And it is this can too. Array Butter Natural here. Sweat protection, style saver, made with charcoal, okay, unique formula, added charcoal. Now, let me tell you something about activated charcoal, okay, just in case if you don't know. Activated charcoal is really, really good for your teeth, okay, the whiten your teeth. Honey, this is entertainment purposes only, okay, you know, I gotta throw that out. Now, you get 2 of these for $1.25. Not Dollar Tree coming through with the hair bonnets, okay, the new packaging. Dollar Tree, you know, they showing out for you and me. They also have these tail combs over here, $1.25. They are doing it. I combed through it. I know that's right, honey. Like, you better push through it, okay? Honey, I cannot make this. Let me tell you something. When I tell you this video is about to be heat, to have you move your feet to the beat, out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, drop a 2 in a chat if I do what I do, okay? If I deliver. Now, next item Dollar Tree has is the Extra Stronghold Hair Gel Moisturizing Formula. Now, it says it's a 10. Dippity do. Now, honey, do you do what you need to do? That's the question we need to be asking. New look. Now, I have never seen this item a day in my life. Now, if you use something like this, you let me know how it turned out for your hair, okay? Now, Dollar Tree, of course, had the Root Touch Up, permanent color, black. My sister could not believe that they sold hair dye at Dollar Tree, $1.25 from B Color. Dollar Tree also have the rosemary and mint scalp and hair oil with jojoba oil. When I tell you rosemary and mint, mainly rosemary is good for your hair with cloves, okay? You know, the cloves that your grandmama used to put on a ham, okay? Back in the day, those type of cloves. This is honey with jojoba oil. This is a steal deal for $1.25. So, the caffeine, this one, okay, 3 benefits in one: cleanse, exfoliates, remove makeup. Then they also have the bentonite clay and charcoal. Really, really good. A steal deal like Holyfield. Honey, if you like, you know what, Dina, I'm looking for a skincare, right? And I don't want to spend like, you know, $30 to $40. Don't worry, Dollar Tree got you. Global Beauty Care. They also have the blemish control oil-free clarifying. Now, I heard, okay, out in the YouTube streets that this was, honey, this was the truth, okay? Now, oil-free clarifying cleanser they have, and then they also have, let me see, the blemish and dark spot treatment with vitamin C, which has grapefruit in it, and then they also have the moisturizer. Now, I have never used these items, okay, but from the YouTube girlies, they said that these items are good. If you use these, honey, let us know in the comment section how were they. If you are looking for name brands when it comes to the bath bombs, honey, let me tell you, Onyx. Listen, this is a name brand, Onyx and Onyx Bathhouse. These are $1.25. Spins, bubbles, dances, okay? And the fragrance is strawberry, kiwi, apple. Yes! $1.25. And look how big this is. This is huge. Absolutely love it. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has that's fairly new is the body wash. Now, I smelled, I think it was the watermelon mojito. It didn't really smell strong like watermelon. Like, you know, I like my stuff like it punch you, okay? Honey, I wish you would, okay? But I'm saying the fragrance, it smells so good, right? But this don't give me like, soon as you know, squeeze the bottle and smell it, that it smells just like watermelon. Now, let's try the citrus and sage. But if you are looking for a body wash that smells divine, delightful, and you're going to be like, oh my goodness, Dina, you were so right. Cool as a cucumber. This smells amazing. And they had another one, an orange one, but I don't see that here. But let's take a sniff and see how this is. Yeah, see, the citrus and sage, it don't really give that citry, sagey smell, okay? It just doesn't do it. If you're looking for some items for your car, Dollar Tree definitely in a place to be. They have this, look at this cool car air freshener. Really, really nice. This is fresh linen, $1.25. They also have the watermelon Mentos, $1.25 as well. And then also the car air freshener, Midnight Cool. Now, my favorite is definitely Black Ice, okay, when it comes to the car scents. Love it, $1.25. If you are looking for some amazing plugins, refills, is these. Okay, so Fireside Joy, and they normally have the berry one, the berry scented. These are 5 for $3. Honey, I don't even see the berry scented. They, you know, you see they done brought it all up. So I know a lot of you guys have been looking for this, the Ariel Downy. When I tell you this smells so good, this smells really, really good.
Thank you so much.
This is $1.25. It has the Downy with it, and you could wash 5 loads. Me personally, honey, I would put the whole bag in, but don't do what I do, okay? Because I told you guys, you know, in my mind, the more cleaning solution I use, the cleaner it's gonna be. Okay, that's just a mind thing. An item that I am excited that Dollar Tree has brought back, okay, because I ain't see these in a good minute, is the Downy Wash Scent Booster. When I tell you, these smell so good, really, really good. 1 dose for $1.25. Now, when it comes to these water bottles, this is cute. Look at this purple, okay? You talking about motivation? Honey, this is motivation. 7 a.m., good morning. 9 a.m., let's get started. 11 a.m., remember your goals. Because some of you guys, you done forgot your goals. The New Year's done passed. You was so pumped up with your New Year's resolutions and you stopped. Okay, I'm going to need you to get back to it. Keep it up, okay? Get back in the game. Now, these are $5. They come in different colors. They have the purple. They also have the black, and then they also have the blue.